All right, guys, I am back with another video. Okay, as promised, I told you guys if you stuck around, you would see this afternoon that I am going to start Star Anise Seeds. Yay! Yes, I am. Something you guys don't know about me is I make skincare products. Yes, I do. So a lot of things that I'm actually planting right now will be going in my skincare product line. I have been purchasing these things for a couple of years now, and I'm tired of purchasing things. I like to know where my products are actually coming from. So I'm growing my own botanicals. Yeah, that's what I'll call them, to put in my skincare and soap. Yay! So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I already started one. This is what the seed actually looks like. It's really shiny. And this is the container that I'm going to try to start them in. Okay? So it's really simple. These just break off. Like so. And I just came out the garden, you guys, and I didn't really wash my hands. So if you see my nails dirty, don't matter. I'm a gardener. Got no time to be getting my nails done and stuff. Shoot. I play in dirt every day. And I love it. So, just these crack open so simple, guys. Very easy to pop these open. I don't know how many that, I'll actually have, which is also exciting. Each one should have a seed, but if it doesn't, that's okay. These are purchased at the grocery store, in the spice aisle, at my Asian store, that is. Yep, you won't find these at Walmart, that's for sure. Myers or Target. None of those stores. And I just don't know why. These are great. It makes a great tea as well. It's awesome for your body and your skin. It'll be probably a few years before I'll have, these beautiful star seed pods on my tree. But that's okay. What we're going to do is still do what we've been doing for my products, is still finding the highest quality product that I can. And that's what I've been doing. But for future reference, I am starting to do my own natural thing. Because sometimes you just don't know whether or not you can believe where they're actually sourcing their products from. They can tell you one thing on their website, and then you can find out something else later on. So I'm just trying to be as holistic as I possibly can with the things that I'm putting on my skin and inside of my body. So guys, that one didn't have one. All right, so I have my seeds. I'm going to start. I have a few more. Might as well see. There's nothing in that one either. And there's nothing in this one as well. This is the brand that I have. And I got them from International Fresh Market. And this is what they actually look like inside of here as well. So this is what I'm working with, guys. And I'm hoping to get me some tea pods in a few years, that is. Okay? Okay. So I have my hot water here. As you can see, it is a tea kettle and it is boiling hot, guys. Watch. Ooh. See that smoke? Yeah. So what I'm doing is actually shocking them for a few days, probably 2 to 4 days total. And then I will come back and show you guys the update. Okay, guys, check it in a minute. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you and you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.